As always, we added the video to the timeline and select the desired text from this menu and specify the place where we want the text to be. Then click and type the text. Select the text and from Effect Control and select the font we wanted. In all editing steps on the text, we must press Selected on the text. Now we can change the color of the text. We can specify a box for the text and determine the color of the box from this part. And this part determines the size of the frame, and we can reduce or increase the thickness of the frame. We also have the option to choose a background for the text. We can adjust the text to the same size as the box we specified for the text on the beginning. From this part, we can change the position of the frame by changing the values. Or by clicking on the arrow icon. We can drag text to any part of the video. Finally, when we want the text to the upper and the disappear, we can determine by dragging the length of the text. Thank you for beginning with me until the end of the video. To see more tutorials, subscribe to our channel and stay with us.